Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace a BMW X3 2020 engine air filter. So basically on your left hand side of your vehicle, you will see this security brace, and this is where basically you need to get to in this compartment here to replace your old filter with a new one. But before you can get to that state, the first thing you need to do is to remove this brace, which will allow you to get to the 6 screws that will need to be loosened to get into this compartment to replace the filter. The most difficult one, it's kind of difficult to see, would be the one way at the bottom there, as well as there's one right behind the sensor here. Okay, so first, as you can see, I have loosened the brace already. So once you remove the brace, I should say, you just gently swing the brace over and rest it on the engine. From there, like I said, there's one screw over here, second one there, third, fourth, fifth, and the last screw at the back there. You can see it. Okay, so you will need a ratchet to unscrew the brace, and you will need something like this, a tool such as this one here, with a T25 head. So you may have noticed I already went ahead and loosened all the screws, and this is the compartment. You will see, kind of difficult with the lighting, but where you need to remove and swap out the filter. So this is what the old filter looks like. Super dirty. All right, this is an original BMW engine air filter. So old one, just gonna place that to the side, and you'll notice this is the brand new filter. Okay, so it's very easy once you're able to remove the brace, okay, and unloosen the 6 screws. All right, so I have the new filter in place. All right, exact OEM part installed. So all I need to do now is just to go ahead and tighten these screws, and we should be off to the races here.